cute one. Like what? Yeah, period. Don't stop. Okay, let me not do too much on here. Okay, so I know y'all noticed I've been a little like not doing the most, and that's because I had a fucking UTI. I had a UTI, like, and I had to wait for it to go away, right? And y'all know that I'm holistic all the way. Like, that's the only route that I take is holistic remedies. But it was taking too long. So usually if I have one coming on, because usually if I ever do get one, it's so rare. I haven't had one in, oh my God, like 4 years. If I do get one, it's due to not drinking enough water. But I have literally, now I tripled my water intake. I literally bought a 24-pack of water, bitch. I finished that shit yesterday, like half of it yesterday. I was like, okay, like we're not paying no more. But anyway, it was taking too long. Because usually I'll catch it before. Because like there's like this little urge or whatever. You can feel it coming on, right? So then I'll do my holistic shit and then it'll never even come. But like I thought it was something else. Like, listen. Okay, but yeah, so I went to the, little ER, whatever, yesterday, got my medicine. Now, oh my God, I feel so good. I'm so happy. Like, holistic stuff only works, yo. Well, no, it does work. It always works, but like, you gotta catch it before. You can't. That was my fault. It's okay. How y'all doing, my babies? I miss y'all. Okay, so this is a video on what to do with your hands. And you already know when I'm talking about, when you know. Okay? Now, also, I got a little new fun hat that I tried like I ain't gonna say how much time ago, but, so, this is like a regular hat. So, the next time you're giving, okay, those, the things that we have that buzz, put that under your chin the next time you're doing it, and it's gonna basically send vibration and at the same time. Can't tell y'all when I learned that, but just knew it was a couple months ago. No, maybe a little longer than that before. Okay, anyway, we're not gonna talk about that, but I love y'all. Try that. But anyway, so now, the hands. Now, y'all always get confused. Girl, what do I do with my hands, baby? Everything. Okay? And the people that are just like, oh, if you use your hands, you don't know what you're doing. You're not doing it right. Just say you was with somebody that didn't know what to do with them. Because all body parts are used. All of them. Yiddies, everything. Okay? And if you know what you're doing, it's going to be great. That's like telling a man like, oh, no, once they use, now they don't know what they're doing. Like, no, shut up. I'm sick of y'all. Like, there's ways to do everything. I have to remember to keep my legs crossed. Fun fact, this is why I don't really wear skirts like that. Because, like, I really be forgetting. Y'all already know I'm a nigga at heart. My legs just be spread out. Okay, anyway, so what to do with your hands. Okay, so I already told y'all about, like, the head rotation thing, right? So, like, when you're, doing your big one, your head should be doing like this the whole time, okay? The whole time, right? Turning. Now, with your, it's going to go in the opposite direction, like, hold on. Okay, like that. That's for 2. 1 is the same thing. Like, it has to go like, you gotta sync with it, baby. Or you could go, it's kind of like, no, it's kind of like the opposite, actually. You kind of just, you gotta, yeah. Okay, so that's with one hand, it's gonna be like, okay, like that. I have to do very minimum showing because, YouTube a little sensitive. And then, so 2, I already told y'all, churn the butter. Okay. You see that? That you gotta do that like that, baby. Now, the title. I have to try to play with the titles. Y'all already know YouTube a little. Okay, now another little. Now remember, the wetter the better. It has to be really like super like a lot. All of the. So that you can think of, that's what you want. Yeah. Okay, next. So, also, fun fact, pay attention. So, I tried to make my guy, y'all know what that is, in front of me, right? Because I'm trying to learn the way that he does it. Because the way that he does it is how he likes it done. So, yeah, pay attention to when he's self-pleasing, okay? Because the way that he's self-pleasing, you know what I'm saying? Like, that, yeah. That's going to teach you how he specifically likes, you know. You know, okay. Now, another thing is, I already said this in another video. I think I be forgetting. I be saying a lot of stuff, guys. My man, love y'all, baby. So what you want to do is now you know, like I already told y'all. There's like regular, you know, but remember that boom, like that. Only at the top, you know, the top, the TI, you already know what that is. Yeah, that. That. And when I tell you, like, that's going to make him, like, shake and quiver and, like, they love that. Like, but it has to be really moist and fast. So make sure it's fast and really, like, really. Okay, another thing to do with your hands. So when I'm, you know, I also like do this, okay, to my, you right now. And y'all know that little area under the, you know, the twins, that. I'll do that, and then like I'll do that to that area. They really like that. Now listen, the hands, there's nothing wrong with hands, okay? There's nothing wrong with using hands. Don't let anybody know, okay? There's nothing wrong with using hands. Why? Because the jaw be getting really tired. Like, it just be so tiring. Like, it's exhausting. So to kind of like get a little break, I switch from that to that, from that to that. You feel me? You picking out what I'm putting up? And yeah, baby, that's it for today's video. You know, I'm about to go to the store because I want to get like new pots and pans and stuff like that. Because I'm going to be moving in a couple months and like, I'm sick of these. So I'm about to go get some new pots and pans. And I think I want to cook something today too. I think I want to do like twice baked potatoes with like steak bites and like a sauce, like a teriyaki sauce or something on top. I feel like that sounds so fucking good, right? Doesn't that sound good? That's what I'm gonna make today. I'm about to make that. But yeah, I love y'all so much.